Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Fyers to TradingView in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Over here, you just have to launch any of the charts in front of you. If you don't know how to launch the chart here on TradingView, when you log in into your TradingView account, by default, you will see this type of home page in front of you. So here you can click on the option of products and then click on the option of super charts. Now what this is going to do is it is going to open any of the default charts in front of you just like so. Now once you are here on this chart page, simply click on the trading panel option in the bottom left hand corner. Over here the third option would be of Fyers. So this is exactly what we are looking for. You can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. After that you can search for Fyers as well. So here when you are able to find the Fyers icon here, simply click on it once. Now click on the option of connect. So when you click on the option of connect, it is going to redirect you here on the Fyers official website. Over here you just have to provide your phone number and you just have to simply verify your human identity. You can also log in here with the help of your client ID. If you don't have an account on Fyers, you can also open one by clicking on the open account option over here. So basically when you log in into your Fyers account, you just have to authenticate TradingView so that it could connect successfully. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.